I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Minecraft, open Options, then Video Settings, and find Clouds. Turn Clouds to off so the game stops rendering cloud geometry. This is the fastest in-game method. Once done, make sure to save and return to the world to verify the effect. This removes visual cloud models and reduces draw calls, which can improve FPS. If you're on Bedrock, follow Settings Video and toggle Clouds off. Both approaches stop cloud rendering without touching files or mods. Once you need more control, install Optifine or Sodium. They expose extra cloud options and performance tweaks. You can also add a resource pack that replaces cloud textures with transparent PNGs. Place it in the resource packs folder and enable it. Alternatively, edit options. TXT to change cloud settings directly, back up the file first. Make sure Minecraft is closed before editing. These approaches let you permanently remove clouds or adjust heights without relying on the in-game toggle, and they avoid shader conflicts. You finish by restarting Minecraft and loading your world to confirm clouds are gone. A relaunch ensures settings and resource packs fully apply. If clouds persist, disable shaders, clear the shader cache, or remove cloud-related mods because mod conflicts often override settings. If you edited options, TXT and get errors, restore your backup copy, or delete it to regenerate defaults. One key troubleshooting tip. Test on a fresh profile or vanilla install to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.